All right, that's Big Booty Judy over there. You know, we're rebuilding the front end. This is my brother's machine. It has a swing out control. We just took Big Booty Judy's engine and put it on this one to loan it to my brother while he has his engine. See, they come out, I showed you this before. They come out as a complete unit. The radiator all the way to the back bell housing comes all off. And I'm sorry if you hear me sniffle or whatever. I got some kind of sinus thing or whatever. Anyway, we pulled his engine. We did this Christmas Eve. Put my engine on. He's just got to complete some wiring. I've done my side. My side was throttle, fuel. Basically, my side was all fuel. And this is it right here. The only wiring I had on my side is a fuel shutoff and another one over here for glow plugs. He himself, he's on his way over here now, and he's got to put the battery, you take the battery box out in order to get to the bottom bolt of the pump. So we've got all that hooked up. He's got to do the starter. That's all he's got left is hook up the wiring right there. That goes to the starter. And then we'll be here and we'll turn this key and see if it starts up. I won't if it doesn't start, I won't edit that out or whatever. You'll see what happens when we do it. Very simple. It was 4 bolts that run onto these. Here's the 4 motor mount bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side. So the motor just comes right down and sits on that whole chassis. All right. See you in a little bit. Motors all together. He did his wiring. I did the fuel. Fuel.
Carry about 20 pumps.
Oh, okay.
Hang on, waiting for it. There you go.
It's alive!
Alive! It's alive! It's alive!
Don't lose both. So long, it's fine. That's rough. That's how easy it was. Brother's on his way, and we got about, with baloneying around and jacking with each other, probably 2 hours of work. We've got to put the turn cylinder back on, put those 2 hoses. We got new bolts to remount. I'm loaning him my blade off of Big Judy because we're going to rebuild his blade's mounting points. One of the wells broke. His machine's got a ton of hours, just like Big Booty Judy. So we're going to take that one and remount it on here. And cylinder first. Then we'll remount that. And we'll change out. This has just been sitting there. They dry rot. So we got a new one of those. We'll pull it off of his and put it on there. And we're going to change the throttle cable out because the new ones came in from Bunker Hill. 2.5 hours of having fun time in the shop. And while he's working on his side, I'm working on my side. I'll pick up all this. Whoa, I can't take it. See you in a little bit. It's alive, back on the road. Now he'll send his motor off to get rebuilt. Put the new throttle cable on it. Easy peasy. And he'll load it up on his trailer. I'll show you his trailer. Hold on. All right, he'll be ready for finish up the season till he gets his motor rebuilt. And then we'll do an R&R again.